Good morning, student. Now the same chapter, the straight line. And now straight line is general form. There are five forms. One is the point slope form. What is the equation of line in point slope form? Then y minus y1 equals to mx minus x1. Point is given, slope is given, then apply this formula. Now the second thing, what is the equation of line in 2-point form? Y minus y1 equals to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. But now the third form, what is the equation of line in third form? That is a slope intercept form. Then y equals to mx plus c, where m is the slope of line and sc is the intercept on y-axis. Then is the fourth form. What is the equation of line in intercept form? Then y x upon a plus y upon b equals to 1, where a and b is the intercept. A is the intercept on x-axis, b is the intercept on y-axis. But now there are last form, what is the equation of line in normal form? Then equation of line in normal form, then x cos theta plus y sin theta equals to p, where p is the length of perpendicular from origin to the line. But theta, where theta is the angle between perpendicular line and x-axis. So now look here, student, question number 11. Then question number 11, now prove that this line is through this point, and now point is given x1 y1, right? आपको उस लाइन का इक्वेशन फाइंड करना जो इस पॉइंट से पास हो रही है. Now coordinate of point P x1 y1 and parallel to the given line. Now equation of the given line. Equation of the given line. And equation of the given line is ax plus by plus c equals to 0, where capital A, capital B, capital C, where capital A is the coefficient of x, capital B is the coefficient of y, and capital C is constant. And now prove the equation of this line. Now look here, student. First thing, find the slope of given line. This is line, and find the slope of the line, given line, that means line first. Now is the formula m equals to minus a upon b, right? So this is the slope of line where a is the coefficient of x and b is the coefficient of y. Then is the slope of the given line. But now required line, that this required line is a parallel to given line. That means the slope are equal. And point is given. What is the equation of line? Equation of the required line. That means formula y minus y1 equals to m x minus x1. When point is x1 y1 is given, then y minus y1 is y1, then x minus x1 is x1. But m slope, this is minus a upon b. Why? क्योंकि हमें जिस लाइन का इक्वेशन फाइंड करना है वो इस लाइन के पैरेलल है. दैट मीन्स स्लोप आर इक्वल. इक्वेशन ऑफ द रिक्वायर्ड लाइन पैरेलल टू लाइन फर्स्ट. दैट मीन्स स्लोप आर इक्वल माइनस a upon p. And now b is cross multiplying, then b into y minus y1 equals to minus a x minus x1. Then this term that side transfer. So a x minus x1 plus b y minus y1 equals to 0, hence proof. So student, कभी भी किसी लाइन का इक्वेशन फाइंड करना, only two things, slope and point. Point is given, only slope. Then required line is parallel to given line. That means what is the condition of two line are parallel? M1 equals to M2. Now question number 12. Question number 12. Two lines passing through the point 2, 3 intersect each other at angle of 60 degree. There are two lines and now intersect this point, and now point is given, right? दोनों लाइन एक दूसरे को intersect कर रही है. That means meet कर रही है इस point P पर. इसके coordinate given है 2, 3. And now angle between two line, and angle between two line is given. Then angle between two line is 60 degree. So and slope of the one line, slope of the first line is given, m equals to 2, and find the equation of other line. Now look here, student, our first thing is a very simple question. Find the equation of other line, right? Point is given, क्योंकि दोनों ही लाइन एक ही पॉइंट से पास हो रही है. पॉइंट इज गिवन, ओनली स्लोप फाइंड करना है. एंगल बिटवीन टू लाइन इज गिवन, 60 डिग्री, राइट. क्वेश्चन की लैंग्वेज के अकॉर्डिंग एक बार फिर रिपीट कर रहा हूँ. टू लाइन पासिंग थ्रू द पॉइंट 2,3 इंटरसेक्ट ईच अदर at angle of 60 degree and slope of one line is given. Find the equation of other line. Slope of one line given है, angle between two line is given है, point given है. हमें सेकेंड लाइन का इक्वेशन फाइंड करना है. दिस लाइन का स्लोप गिवन है, बट नाउ फाइंड द इक्वेशन ऑफ सेकेंड लाइन, अदर लाइन. दैट मीन्स इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन ए बी, स्लोप ऑफ लाइन ए बी इज गिवन, बट नाउ फाइंड द स्लोप ऑफ लाइन सी डी. सो ऐसी कंडीशन में इसका अगर स्लोप फाइंड करना है, एंगल गिवन है. नाउ फर्स्ट थिंग, देन एंगल between two line. You know student, what is the formula of angle between two line? Then tan theta equals to m2 minus m1 upon 1 plus m1 into m2. That is whole mod. Tan as it is, now theta is given, angle between two line, then theta is 60 degree. What is m1? What is m2? m1 is the slope of first line. Is given 2, and m2 is the slope of second line, lat m. So now find slope of second line. That means m2 is m, m1 is 2, 1 plus 2m whole mod. What is the value of tan 60? Tan 60 is what is the value of tan 60 is root 3. Then m minus 2 upon 1 plus 2m whole mod. Mod is removed, that means is a plus minus, yani m minus 2 upon 1 plus 2m equals to plus minus root 3, right. And now is taking positive sign. One time is taking positive sign and this other is taking negative sign, right. So now taking positive, m minus 2 upon 1 plus 2m equals to root 3. Then is a cross multiplying, m minus 2 equals to root 3 plus twice of root 3 m. Then now find m, this term that side transfer, so m is common, 1 minus 2 root 3 equals to root 3 plus 2. So what are the slope of second line? Then root 3 plus 2 upon 1 minus 2 root 3. Same, now taking negative sign, then is the other value of m, right. Okay, now find the equation of this other line, that means equation of the line CD. So what is the formula of equation of line? Y minus y1 equals to m x minus x1, right. Y minus y1, x1 y1 is given, x1 is 2 and y1 is 3. So y1 is 3 and m slope is root 3 plus 2 upon 1 minus 2 root 3. Then x minus x1 is 2. And now to simplify, now cross multiply, then cross multiply, y minus 3 is multiply this. So y is multiplied by 1 minus 2 root 3, minus 3 is multiplied by 1 minus 2 root 3, then equals to root 3 plus 2 is multiplied by x and minus twice of root 3 plus 2. Then y term this side transfer. So this is the first answer, right. Student question number 12 में दो आंसर आएंगे. Y is the value of m, there are two value. So now is the first answer. Then now simplify, root 3 plus 2x as it is, root 3 plus 2 x, and y term is that side transfer, so minus 1 minus 2 root 3 into y and plus minus 2 is multiplied, minus 2 root 3 and minus plus minus 2 2s are 4 and then minus 3, this term that side transfer, then 3 1s are 3 and 3 to the 6 root 3. Right student? This is the net term is negative and equals to 0. So now is the finally answer, root 3 plus 2x minus 1 minus negative sign is multiplied. So that is 2 root 3 minus 1 and minus 4 plus 3, that is a minus 1 and minus 2 root 3 minus 6, that is a minus 8 root 3. equals to 0. This is the first answer. And now taking negative sign, then is the other value of m, and this is the equation of other line. Now question number 13. Now question number 13 and 14 and 16, 17, 18 all are very, very important. Any question number 12 to all are very, very important. Now look here student, question number 13. Find the equation of the right bisector. Find the equation of the right bisector of the line segment joining these 2 points, joining the 2 points. Right bisector, you know student, right bisector, that means is the second line is the perpendicular to first line. That means 2 lines are perpendicular, right? So now look here, this is question number 13. Find the equation of the line of right bisector, right? And the line segment joining these 2 lines. Now look here, according to question number 13, then these 2 points are given. This is line AB, when coordinate of A point is 3, 4 and coordinate of B point is -1, 2. And now it's the right bisector, that means is another line PQ is the perpendicular to right bisector, that means right is a Q is a midpoint, but this is line the perpendicular, right? P is point. Now find the equation of line PQ. This is right bisector, right? And now first thing, PQ line का equation find करना है. A and B point are given. एक line का equation find करना है. That means about 2 things. One is the point and second is the slope. Now slope is not given, point is not given, but this is right bisector. अब first thing, अगर मैं इस AB line का slope find करूँगा, तो क्या मैं PQ line का slope find कर सकता हूँ? What are the condition? 2 line are perpendicular. Student, 2 line are perpendicular, that is a m1 into m2 equals to -1. That means कि अगर आपके पास में इस line का slope is given 2 है, तो what is the slope of perpendicular line? That means reciprocal and sign change. Why? 2 line are perpendicular is condition m1 into m2 equals to -1. That means m1 is slope is given to m2 is the -1 upon m1. That means is a reciprocal and sign change. So first thing, now find the slope of the line AB. 2 points are given. What are the formula of slope of the line AB? Then formula is m equals to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. That means this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. That means 2 minus 4 upon -1 minus 3. Then 2 minus 4 is a -2. And -3 minus 1, that is a -4, -2 minus cancel, that is a 1 by 2, that is the slope of line AB. So what are the slope? What are the slope of the line PQ? That means is a reciprocal and sign change, that means denoted by m dash equals to -1 upon m. Why? Since PQ is perpendicular to line AB. And 2 lines are perpendicular, that is the condition m1 m2 equals to -1. So that means m dash equals to 1 upon 2 का reciprocal is 2 and sign change, this is negative. So this is the slope of line PQ. And now second thing is point. 2 lines are given, right? One line is a right bisector. Bisector का मतलब this is the equal parts में divide भी कर रहा है, right? That means Q is a midpoint. So now since Q is midpoint of the line AB, and what are the midpoint formula? That means x1 plus x2 upon 2 comma y1 plus y2 upon 2, where x1 is 3 and x2 is -1 and y1 is 4, y2 is 2. So that is the coordinate of this 3 minus 1 is 2, 2 upon 2 is 1, 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 upon 2 is 3. This is point. Point is given, slope is given. Now equation of the line PQ. Then formula y minus y1 equals to m x minus x1, where x1 is 1, y1 is 3. So y minus y1 is 3, m slope of PQ line is minus 2 and x minus x1 is 1. Then is the finally answer is y minus 3 equals to 2x minus 2, then 2x minus y, 2x minus y, right, then this side transfer plus 1 equals to 0. This is answer. So student, एक राइट बाइसेक्टर लाइन का इक्वेशन फाइंड करना हो अबाउट टू थिंग्स, पॉइंट एंड स्लोप. नाउ दिस इज अगेन इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 15, right, sorry 14. Find the coordinate of foot of perpendicular from this point to this line. This is very very important question. And now look here, then this question, equation of line are given, point is given, and find the coordinate of foot of perpendicular. You know student, foot of perpendicular, this is very very important, right? So now look here, question number 14. Find the coordinate of the foot of perpendicular from this point to given line. First thing, what are the equation of given line? Then equation of given line, question number 14, equation of the given line. Then equation of given line is 3x minus 4y minus 16 equals to 0. Now diagram के according, this is P point is given minus 1 comma 3, और इस point से इस line पर, this is given line, right, equation of the given line, this is AB line and this is PQ line, and now the equation of given line is given 3x minus 4y minus 16 equals to 0, and find the coordinate of foot of perpendicular. That means is that this is foot of perpendicular, that means आपको Q point के coordinate find करने हैं. So student, Q point के point coordinate अगर आपको find करने हैं, right, तो उस condition में first thing, now find the equation of PQ line. और equation of PQ line find करना about two things, point and slope. Point is given, only find slope, right? Now first thing, find the slope of the line AB, that means line first. What are the slope of line first? Then formula m equals to minus a upon b, that means minus a is the coefficient of x is 3 and b is the coefficient of y is minus 4. Minus to minus cancel, this is 3 by 4, that is the slope of given line. But now find the slope of perpendicular line, that means slope of the line PQ, राइट और अभी हमने जस्ट क्वेश्चन किया कि अगर किसी गिवन लाइन का स्लोप गिवन है, किसी लाइन का स्लोप गिवन है और परपेंडिकुलर लाइन का स्लोप फाइंड करना हो, तो दैट इज द रेसिप्रोकल एंड साइन चेंज. व्हाई? दैट इज अ कंडीशन ऑफ टू लाइन आर परपेंडिकुलर, देन m1 into m2 equals to minus 1. So that means is the slope of m denoted by m dash minus 1 upon m, since PQ is perpendicular to AB, right? So that is 3 by 4 का रेसिप्रोकल 4 by 3 and sign change, negative positive का negative. So this is minus 4 by 3 is the slope of line PQ. And now find the equation of the line PQ. Then formula y minus y1 equals to m x minus x1. This is x1 y1, x1 is minus 3, y1 is 3. So y minus y1 is 3, m dash slope is a minus 4 by 3. And x minus x1, x1 is minus 1, so 1 minus plus 1. Then 3 is a cross multiply, 3y minus 9 equals to minus 4x minus plus minus 4. That means is a 4x plus 3y minus 5 equals to 0. This is equation second. This is the equation of line PQ. This is not answer. Find the coordinate of Q point. Equation of PQ line मैंने find किया है. Equation of AB line is given और इन दोनों लाइन का intersection point is Q. So now solving equation first and second, solving first and second. Then equation first is multiplied by 3 and equation second is multiplied by 4 by elimination method. Then 3 से multiply 3 is 9x, 3 4s are 12, 16 3s are 48 equals to 0. And now equation second multiplied by elimination method. Then 4 4s are 16x, 4 3s are 12y and 4 5s are 20. Then solving, these are cancelled. 16 plus 9, 25x, right? 48 plus 20, right? 68. So then x equals to 68 upon 25. This is the value of x. And now substitute the value of x in equation first, the other one is equation second. So this is the coordinate of Q point, that means foot of perpendicular. X coordinate is 68 upon 25. Now substitute the value of x in equation first, the otherwise second. So this is answer. So student, please solve exercise 10.3. Thank you.